Early in the morning, when the sky is still so blue, little birds are waking up. They know just what to do. Flapping wings and chirping songs, they greet the morning light. Off they go to find their food. Oh, what a lovely sight. Up in trees and on the ground, they hop and look around. Seeds and worms and berries too, there's plenty to be found. Sunlight shining on their feathers, colours bright and true. Working hard from dawn till dusk, they have so much to do. As the day begins to warm, they rest upon a tree, chirping out their happy tunes, as busy as can be. From the fields to gardens bright, they travel near and far, little birds with mighty hearts shining like a star.